Stop letting carbon buildup kill your engine's performance and fuel economy with these top-rated throttle body cleaning solutions. First up, we have the Berryman B12 Carburetor, Choke, and Throttle Body Cleaner, which is a powerhouse for deep cleaning internal engine components. It quickly dissolves stubborn gum, varnish, and carbon deposits to restore optimal airflow and eliminate that annoying hesitation during acceleration. One of the best things about this 20-ounce can is the non-chlorinated formula, making it completely safe for your oxygen sensors and catalytic converters. It dries incredibly fast without leaving any sticky residue behind, so you can spray it and get back on the road immediately. This is the perfect choice for high mileage vehicle owners who want a trusted American-made solution that has been around for over a century. Imagine being able to fix a rough idle in minutes just by spraying this into your intake. It really is that simple and effective. Next, at number 2, we are looking at a specialized throttle body and carburetor cleaning kit designed for those who need more than just a spray. This kit features a unique spiral wound design on its cleaning wires, which allows you to mechanically scrub away hardened debris that chemical sprays might miss. You also get double-ended brushes with optimized bristle patterns that are perfect for reaching into the deep channels and larger surfaces of your throttle assembly. This is an essential purchase for DIY mechanics who are performing a full teardown of a carburetor or a heavily soiled throttle body. If you have a project car that has been sitting for years, these tools will be your best friend for clearing out clogged orifices. It provides a level of thoroughness that ensures every millimeter of your fuel system is free of obstructions. Now for number 3, we have another variation of the throttle body cleaning kit that boasts an impressive 4.7-star rating for its precision. Much like the previous set, this kit focuses on the mechanical removal of carbon deposits using high-quality cleaning wires and double-ended brushes. The specialized spiral design is specifically engineered to grab onto dirt and pull it out of tight spaces without damaging the metal surfaces. This kit is ideal for owners of motorcycles, ATVs, or older vehicles where small jets and ports frequently become blocked by old fuel. Using these brushes allows you to verify that every tiny air passage is clear, which is crucial for maintaining a perfect air-fuel ratio. It's a high-quality set of tools that turns a difficult cleaning job into a manageable task with professional-grade results. Coming in at number 4 is the CRC Mass Airflow Sensor and Throttle Body Cleaner Bundle, which offers a complete 2-step maintenance solution. This bundle is fantastic because it addresses 2 of the most common causes of poor engine performance: a dirty MAF sensor and a gunked-up throttle plate. The mass airflow cleaner is plastic safe and evaporates in seconds, while the dedicated throttle body spray works deep to eliminate rough idling and stalling. This is the ultimate kit for anyone driving a modern fuel-injected vehicle who wants to improve their MPG and regain lost horsepower. By cleaning both components at the same time, you ensure that your engine's computer is getting accurate data and your intake is breathing freely. It's a convenient way to perform a comprehensive tune-up without having to buy separate products from different brands. Moving on to number 5, we have the 8-pack Carburetor Cleaning Kit, which is a massive 15-piece set designed for versatility across multiple engine types. This kit includes 4 sets of cleaning wires, 8 needles, and 3 double-ended polishing brushes made from high-density nylon and rust-proof stainless steel. It solves the problem of invisible clogs in tiny orifices like those found in chainsaws, lawnmowers, or even welding torch tips. If you are a homeowner with a lot of gas-powered outdoor equipment, this reusable kit will save you a fortune in repair bills. You can easily use the spiral bristles to clear out a clogged stove nozzle or a stubborn motorcycle jet in seconds. The flexible, elastic nature of the brushes means they can bend into tight corners without breaking, making them a very durable addition to your toolbox. For number 6, we are checking out a comprehensive carburetor and throttle body cleaner set. that comes with 20 different cleaning needles and 5 single-sided brushes. This kit is specifically designed to restore the optimal performance of low-power engines like those on snowblowers and ATVs. The variety of brush sizes ensures that you have the exact tool needed for everything from large intake bores to microscopic fuel jets. It's a lightweight and compact set, so you can keep it in your glove box or tool bag for on-the-go maintenance. This is the best option for enthusiasts who frequently work on small engines and need a wide range of specialized tools to remove oil and varnish buildup. It simplifies the cleaning process significantly, allowing you to reach areas that were previously impossible to clean thoroughly. At number 7, we have a highly rated Carburetor cleaning kit that is a favorite for its simplicity and effectiveness in automotive applications. This set is perfect for cleaning small engine components, welding tips, and even paint airbrushes, making it a multi-purpose tool for your workshop. It focuses on providing the right density of bristles to scrub away carbon without being overly abrasive on sensitive components. If you find your motorcycle or ATV is struggling to start, using these brushes to clear the carburetor jet can often solve the problem instantly. It's a high-quality product that bridges the gap between professional shop tools and affordable DIY gear. The durability of the stainless steel components ensures that these tools won't rust even if they are stored in a damp garage or shed. And finally, number 8 is the genuine Toyota Fluid Throttle Plate Cleaner, which is the gold standard for owners of Toyota and Lexus vehicles. This 14-ounce can contains a powerful blend of solvents, specifically formulated to remove varnish and gum from both sides of the throttle plate. What makes this special is that it is designed to be used without removing the throttle plate from the engine, saving you a massive amount of labor time. It is also excellent at cleaning the idle control solenoid, which is often the culprit behind a surging or low idle. If you prefer using OEM spec products to ensure total compatibility with your vehicle's seals and sensors, this is the one to get. It's a professional grade solution that helps restore throttle efficiency and fuel mileage with just a few sprays during your routine oil change. Make sure to check the links in the description below to find the best deals on all the cleaners and kits mentioned today. Please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you stay updated on all our latest automotive maintenance tips and reviews. Comment below and let me know which of these products you're planning to use, or tell me what you want us to review in the next video. Thanks for watching, and keep those engines running smooth.